Presenting Sundaram Business Cycle Fund. Invest in businesses driven by medium to long-term emerging mega themes. Why invest in emerging mega themes? Themes create business cycles, cut across sectors, can outperform broader markets and have a lower correlation with sectoral cycles. Themes are powerful and can change the way we live. An investment during their upcycle can be beneficial. Why Sundaram Business Cycle Fund? The Sundaram Business Cycle Fund aims to capitalize on emerging themes and businesses entering strong growth cycles. Current investment themes and enablers of the fund: Make in or for India. Manufacturing enablers include Product-Linked Incentive, PLI, scheme, China Plus One, import substitution and government capex. Urbanization, Premiumization and Formalization enablers include rise of Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, a growing appetite for aspirational brands, and quality infrastructure driven by rising disposable income. Sustainable living enablers include initiatives to lower carbon footprints, an increasing use of renewables, and the emergence of new technology. Technology transition and digitalization enablers include rapid sector adoption, disruptive and newer digital opportunities. The fund will be a dynamically managed portfolio of 35 to 45 stocks, and will invest in long-term themes across cap curves. We follow a top-down approach to selecting themes and bottom-up approach to selecting companies. The fund will remain benchmark, market cap and sector agnostic. Invest today in Sundaram Business Cycle Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.